Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Strapi permissions for role-based content access step by step clearly. To update Strapi permissions for role-based content access, start by logging into your Strapi admin panel. Navigate to the Settings section from the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Roles and Permissions. You will see a list of existing roles in your application. Select the role you want to update, for example, authenticated or public. Once inside the role settings, scroll down to the Permissions section. Here, you will find a list of content types and actions. Expand the content type for which you want to change the permissions. You will see a list of actions such as create, read, update, and delete. Check the boxes next to the permissions you want to grant or uncheck those you want to revoke. Make sure to review the permissions carefully to ensure they align with your content access requirements. After making the necessary adjustments, scroll back to the top of the page. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. Once saved, you will see a confirmation message indicating the updates were successful. To test the new permissions, log out of the admin panel and log in with an account that has the updated role. Check whether the permissions work as intended by attempting to access or modify the relevant content. If everything looks good, your Strapi permissions are now successfully updated for role-based content access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.